Q Services, Qwashers. What we're here to do today is to show you how to change and clean the jets in the carb on a Honda Gx390. So what we'll do is we'll start off and we'll strip and show you what different parts are inside that need checking. So what we've got here is the main filter. Make sure that when we put this back in place, put it back in now. If we will show what we're going to do is, as you look at it, you'll see the shape. If we take it out, you'll see that the way the shape of the actual item is, the shape, make sure that's going back in correctly, back in place. So that's the first part that needs cleaning and keeping clean. We'll then show you further inside. So what we're going to do next is take the next part out, which we're going to go to the main jet on the carb. Now you'll notice you've got two screws there. So down the middle of here is the main jet itself that you need a very sharp screwdriver to get into to take it out. So this jet can be very tight in there, and like I say, you need a very sharp screwdriver, long screwdriver to be able to get it out. And this is the main jet. When we're doing this, don't start putting drills down or anything else down there. Make sure you do it with a little needle. And like I say, the other way is to drop the whole carb into a vibration tank system. And what I'm going to do is show you the next part as well. So that's that little jet inside there. So we've now come to the needle jet that's inside there as well, and if you look very close you'll see all these little pinpricks of holes. Same again, when we're cleaning this out, don't start drilling it. You need a needle to clean them out. So there's the jets inside that, that's the needle jet. Yeah, that goes inside there. So when we put this dish back in, the actual bottom bowl, always remember, don't over tighten. You're better off tightening up if it does leak than tightening and squashing that o-ring that goes right way around the outside. You'll see it. You're better off tightening that a little bit more afterwards if it needs it than over tightening and squashing that and damaging that o-ring. You've also got a drain off point there on that other screw, so if you want to drain it off at any stage, just open that up and let any dirt that might be in there out as well. So what we're going to do next is show you the slow revving jet that's inside the system. Make sure you get this the right way around. That just lifts up and prizes out. And what you've got inside there is a hole down the middle of it. Like I say, this is the slow revving jet, and then you need to make sure that down inside there is clean as well. Airline or cleaner to clean that out as well. And this is what makes the machine tick over correctly. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube, and like I say, make sure you put it all back correctly. Take note if you need to, film it if you're not certain. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.